beat the competition with these affiliate marketing tips. Since there are so many programs available for people out there seeking to work from home, many individuals simply pass over the idea of being an affiliate marketer. However, some of the most successful business people on the internet are working as affiliates. When you want to learn about marketing, this video contains some great tips you can use. If you have a website for your business, your domain name should be on everything that you own. Use your own personal vehicle, t-shirts, stationery, email signature and more, to constantly put the name of your website out there. Constant reminders will stick in people's heads and make them want to look it up. Affiliate marketing begins with talking to a company that has products that you want to promote for a percentage of the sale. On most company sites you will find that there is an affiliate link that will allow you to ask for permission to advertise for them. Since most companies do not have the time to properly talk about each of their products, they are usually very happy to pay a small percentage for the extra sales. By setting up a profile for your company on various social media platforms, you can help bring more traffic to your site. Many people trust social media and use it for recommendations and information, so having an active profile that regularly offers new content can help boost your site's rank and draw in more potential customers. The amount of knowledge you'll need, in order to become a successful affiliate, is vast, to say the least. A few tips, while they'll ultimately allow you to get your feet wet, are not going to turn you into a millionaire. Exercise the info you've learned here and work your way up the affiliate ladder. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.